Good afternoon, my community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. Is this a sign of things to come this winter? Gosh, who knows? But I'll tell you that out here, they are cutting back the tree lines off the electric lines, or the tree lines off the electric lines, the trees off the electric lines substantially. And I'm talking feet below the electrical power lines, all up and down our farm to market road out there. So I caught up with them the other day, and I told them to bring all your wood chips and dump them on our back acre. And that's exactly what they've done. This is probably 2 truckloads, and this over here is 2 truckloads. You can see they are dumping bountiful wood chips on the property, and we're really excited about it because we'll use this, guys, to make our compost. Greg has a couple of things that he's going to do, and when he gets ready to do that, I'll be sure and do a video and make that so you can see what we're going to do. Now, I'll tell you that yesterday morning it was cooking. Check out this video. I'd say it's cooking, wouldn't y'all? Ooh, it's cold this morning, 48 degrees, guys. And this is already starting to compost. So you can see a whole lot of cooking going on, and you can see a whole lot of tree trimming going on. Now, we've lived out here for 20 years, and I've seen them do the tree trims, but not like this year. So it's almost like they're thinking we're gonna have some ice storms or something that might bring those power lines down and shut down the electricity. So I guess we'll see. I know that they're predicting we're supposed to have a colder than normal winter. That remains to be seen. I guess we'll find out. But anyway, guys, wanted to show you some exciting news about those big wood chip piles, because that will be excellent starts to making our compost for next spring. And there's a lot of things we're going to add to it. Of course, we'll add our chicken manure and stuff from the chicken coop, and we have a friend down the road, and we're going to pick up some horse manure. We don't use cow manure. We don't use cow manure because of certain things that may be in it, and also if they use salt licks and stuff, if it comes from the dairy, and a lot of it does, then the salts get in the manure. But anyway, we'll go through that when Greg starts to mix this stuff up. He'll add some EM1 to it and some bokashi, and he has a couple of ideas that he can use to make it break down much quicker. But those are very fine wood chips, and you saw that it was already starting to cook. It was cooking away. So we're gonna have to watch that, and real excited. We'll bring some of it up here to our compost bin so we can mix it here and get it going, but we're excited about that. So if you see any tree trimming going on in your area and you're looking for some wood chips, I encourage you to go tell them, hey, bring it to my house, because we told them, and they did. They brought it, and I think it's easier on them so they don't have to go to the landfills or wherever it is that they take it here in the county. But it sure is easier on us because it's already here and we don't have to go and haul it and then unload it. So, do they know something we don't know? I guess we'll find out, but we're excited regardless. Take care, God bless, love you all.